Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead. Last week, I mentioned that Nifty will find resistance at 8,500, but in one day, Nifty shot up nearly 10%. It has decisively broken the 8,500. Coming back to this week, we have holiday on Tuesday. So we have only 4 trading sessions. On Friday, US markets closed in green territory. So therefore, we can expect the Nifty to open slightly higher. After relentless selling of more than 10 billion US dollars, FIIs have bought for more than 2,000 crores in the last 2 trading sessions. So that is considered to be a game changer for the markets. This week, there are many data we have to watch. One, the consumer price inflation data and index of industrial production data, which will be out on Monday evening. On Tuesday, the wholesale price inflation data will be there. On Wednesday, there will be trade data. On Thursday, US jobless claims data, which has been very bad for the last 2 weeks. So that's a very important data to watch. On Friday, China will be declaring its GDP data. So these are the important data to watch. And of course, we have to see whether FIIs continue their buying spree in the next week also or not. But there is no doubt the market has turned very bullish. In fact, rising more than 20% from the low point is considered as a bull market by US definition. So we have shot up more than 20% from the recent low of 7,500. Of course, we may not be in a bull market, but the downside may be limited now. Even the Nasdaq, after such a volatile period, it is just 10% down from the 52-week high. So the things are not looking that bad globally also. Going forward, the coronavirus, the infection may reduce in Europe, but definitely it is peaking out in US. Looking at the open interest, the 10,000 call option has the highest open interest among the call option, and 8,000 put option has the highest open interest among the put option. So therefore, we can expect the Nifty to trade between 8,000 and 10,000 in the next few weeks. At least for the next 1 week, we can expect this range. So if you are a seller, you sell call options above 10,000 and put option below 8,000. But definitely buying of option is not advised in a high volatile environment, and still the volatility index is ruling around 50, which is still very high, and our VIX is much more than the US VIX. So therefore we can expect the VIX to cool down going forward. So that will eat away a lot of premiums. So we may start with a positive note and we may consolidate our gain, or we may correct a little bit, but the downside is very, very limited. And that is my view for next week. Thank you.